Hey guys, this is RTX Meetlug and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hack in-app purchases of Temple Run game on your Android device using Lucky Patcher. This is my final tutorial over Lucky Patcher and I've already made 2 tutorials over Lucky Patcher. I'm making a third one because the 2 tutorials which I made over Lucky Patcher got a lot of views and I'm really hungry for views. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you haven't already watched my first tutorial over Lucky Patcher, then go on the link in the description and watch it. You'll know the basics of Lucky Patcher through it, how you can use it, how does it work, and is it safe or not. And you'll also get the link to download and install it. So after downloading and installing Lucky Patcher, you need to open it. So as you can see, this is Lucky Patcher. I'm gonna be opening it now. I'm just gonna ignore these messages and I'm gonna be selecting Subway Surfer. And then menu of patches, then create modified APK file, APK rebuild for in-app and Lvil emulation. I'm not going to tick anything here, just rebuild the app. So I'm going to just press OK here, and the rebuilding procedure has been started. Now this will patch the application or game which you have selected and remove all, if not most if not all of the in-app purchases from it. And as you can see, this has succeeded. I simply pause the video in between. Since more than one has succeeded, at least one of this has to succeed. Since we have got 3 succeeded, so I'm gonna continue. Then I'll press on reinstall, which will uninstall the original version of Subway Surfer and install the new patched hacked version of Subway Surfer with most of the in-app purchases free. So as you can see, it's installing the new version of Subway Surfer after uninstalling the original version of Subway Surfer downloaded from Play Store. So as you can see, the installation setup has come up. I'm gonna install it now. And we have successfully installed the patched version of Subway Surfers, which has free in-app purchases. So I'm gonna open it, and since I'm opening the game for the first time, it won't have any saves. So keep that in mind. If you had saved games previously, if you had made any progress and you have patched the game with Lucky Patcher to get free in-app purchases, then all of your progress will be deleted and you'd have to start the game from the starting itself. So I'm gonna quickly run through the part of the game, the tutorial part of the game. So let me just pause the video until I complete it. So I ran through the tutorial part of the game as fast as I could, and I am here at the in-app purchases store, and as you can see, everything is really cheap. It won't cost any money to buy it. So yeah guys, that wraps up this video, this tutorial. So yeah guys, that's how you hack or patch Subway Surfer using Lucky Patcher and make most if not all of its in-app purchases free. That's it for this video, and as I said at the starting of this video, this is my final tutorial over Lucky Patcher for your Android device. So yep guys, thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. I'll catch you in my next video. Until then, peace. Have a nice day ahead. Bye bye for now.